Hey guys, welcome back to Rafik Edit Review. Today's video is going to be super useful for anyone who has ever accidentally deleted important files from their PC, laptop, memory card, or external drive. And honestly, I think almost all of us have faced this problem at least once. Maybe you deleted your project files by mistake, formatted your SD card accidentally, or lost family photos after a system crash. That feeling is honestly painful, especially when the files are important and you think they are gone forever. So, in today's video, we're checking out the TenorShare 40TIC, a data recovery software designed to help recover deleted data and lost files from different types of storage devices. I tested the Windows version of the software, and in this video, I will share my experience, the features, how it works, and whether it's actually useful or not. First of all, the installation process is very simple. Users download the software, install it like any normal Windows application, and launch it. The interface is clean and beginner friendly, which is important because most people using recovery software are probably already stressed after losing their data. Once you open TenorShare 40TIC, it immediately shows all the available storage devices connected to your PC. This includes internal drives, external hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, SD cards, and even formatted partitions. So, whether your files are lost from your laptop storage or from a camera memory card, the software supports both. One thing I really like is that the software allows free scanning before recovery. This is actually a very important feature because with many recovery tools, you often need to pay first before even knowing whether your files can be recovered or not. But here you can scan your drive first and preview recoverable files before making any decision. That makes the whole process much safer and more transparent for users. Now, let's talk about the recovery process itself. I tested it with a USB drive where I had deleted some photos, videos, and a few documents. I selected the drive, started the scan, and within a few minutes, the software began showing recoverable files. The scanning speed depends on the storage size and condition, but overall, it felt pretty fast during my testing. According to TenorShare, 40TIC supports recovery of more than 2000 file types, including photos, videos, audio files, documents, archives, and more. It also supports recovery from different situations like accidental deletion, formatting, partition loss, corrupted drives, system crashes, and even virus attacks. From my experience, it handled normally deleted recovery files quite well. Another useful feature is the file preview. Before recovering anything, you can preview photos, videos, and documents to make sure you are selecting the correct files. This is extremely helpful when the scan results contain hundreds or even thousands of files. Instead of recovering everything blindly, you can just choose the files you actually need. The software also includes AI-powered repair tools for corrupted photos and videos. This is especially useful for content creators or photographers who work with important media files. If a recovered video or image becomes damaged or unreadable, the repair feature can sometimes help restore it. I also noticed that the software supports recovery from crashed systems. So, if your Windows PC fails to boot properly, there are recovery options available to help retrieve your important files. That can honestly be a lifesaver in emergency situations. Of course, I want to keep things realistic as well. No data recovery software in the world can guarantee a 100% success rate. Once deleted files get overwritten by new data, recovery becomes much harder. So, if you accidentally lost important files, the best thing you can do is stop using the drive immediately and start the recovery process as soon as possible. But in situations where the data is still recoverable, TenorShare 40TIC definitely gives you a strong chance to getting your files back. Performance-wise, the software felt stable during my testing. The interface is smooth, the scan results are organized properly, and even beginners should be able to use it without much confusion. I also appreciate that it supports both Windows and Mac systems, so users from both platforms can use it. Overall, I think TenorShare 40TIC is a very useful tool for people who deal with accidental data loss. Whether you are a student, office user, photographer, video creator, or just someone who stores important memories digitally, having a reliable recovery tool can save you from a lot of stress. So guys, that was my experience with TenorShare 40TIC. If you want to check it out, I will leave the official download link in the description below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and useful content here on Graphic Gadget Review. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.